Are you guys seeing this? Really? Am I the only one that's looking at this and saying, what is going on in the world of finance? Guys, seriously, type in Warren Buffett, Google it. Warren Buffett, Berkshire Hathaway cash pile reaches record 325 billion. They just reported today on a Saturday their earnings. What the bleeding F is going on here? Cash pile reached 325 billion in the third quarter, a record for the conglomerate. As Warren Buffett continued to refrain from major acquisitions while trimming some of his most significant equity stakes. So this was Apple. He cut more and sold more of Apple. What? What? Its stake in the iPhone maker was valued. So why are you selling this? This is supposed to be like the rock of the tech world, Apple. It's cut its position by 25%. Now he's gonna blame it on tax. I think we all know what the real reason is, right? Let's just be frank here, really. I don't think Warren Buffett who's that super comfortable with technology. Well, if you're not comfortable with technology, what else are you gonna be comfortable with? Right? Right. Let's forget Apple for a minute. Let's look at other things. I think you guys already know what I'm gonna say. I'm not gonna say. I'm gonna refrain from saying the words correction. I told you so. Things are gonna happen. A crash, whatever. I'm gonna refrain from saying that. I'm gonna refrain from saying you might buy cheap things, in the future. Don't buy premium. Save your money. I'll refrain from saying these words because I want to make this video a little happy. Right? Different from the usual videos. Mortgage rates below 6%. Not anytime soon. Whoa, so what do you mean here? You mean housing prices? Housing is going to continuously struggle? 1 hour ago, TGI Fridays files for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. What? TGI Fridays, you know that. You used to take your kids to it. You used to go to it with your friends when you were a child. TGI Fridays files for bankruptcy protection as sit-down restaurant struggles to continue. What's going on in the world of finance? Nobody's asking that question. I've been asking that question for 2 months. People thought I was crazy. But, things aren't playing out like I expected them to. It's taking a little bit of time. Super Micro Technology, this one, SMCI. If we look at that stock, guys, it's ridiculous. Like it's heading for delisting. Look at this. This is AI. This is your AI stock that I warned about. My warnings were about here somewhere around the where was that? Yeah, August, right? And look at us heading for delisting. No, don't buy that because the news is a little the news is out there and it's looking like it's not looking great. Now, I want to know who bought DJT stock. I know you guys want to, you want your president to be Trump, but come on now. If you don't like your money, just give me your money. Look, I'm back, guys, back to Yahoo Finance. If you just Google today Warren Buffett, there's something going on here. Why are you selling? I mean, you just want to hold cash? I mean, this is what we're doing personally. We didn't need Warren Buffett to tell us hold cash. We've been doing it. I've been warning you guys to hold cash. I've been telling you to hold cash. And I'm doing it. We're doing it. I think we're about 80% cash, right? And that's all right. But this here, Bloomberg now, this here is a little concerning. I don't know what's going to happen. Wait a minute. I forgot to show you guys one thing. Let's look at Forex Factory for a minute. This was last week, right? Unemployment rate, or this one, non-farmer employment change, 12,000 versus 100,000 forecast. What are you saying here? What are you saying to me? You're saying 12,000 jobs were created? What was this? 12,000 jobs were on the payroll, and they're going to say, well, the hurricane. Well, is the economy just in Florida and the coast? Seriously, I mean, this is the U.S. we're talking about. Is the economy, guys, from the U.S., is your economy concentrated around the this coast of Florida and New York and whatnot. I mean, surely there's the middle, and yeah, it's a little confusing here. What's going on? I don't know. Am I? Are we overlooking this, or are we looking into this too much to the point that maybe we get it wrong and we miss out on some trades? That's always the risk of it. It's been the risk the last couple of months, of course. We've, held back some trades. We did enter some trades. Majority of capital was on the sideline. But yeah, things are turning around. Like I don't see things are scary, guys. I mean, what do we do here? Piton. Oh my, this thing 14 Piton. This is the thing you run on, This is I thought it was Palantir. I don't know, guys. I'm a little excited because this week coming is exciting. It's so exciting that I think a lot of us are waiting for it just to see if we gonna buy. A lot of hedge funds are waiting for this week as well. Just so you know. But yeah, exciting stuff this week, November, December. We don't know. Look at this graph. Stock story top picks. Bull BS. Get out of here. Get out of here. I'm not touching these. I don't even know what's going on with the economy. U.S. economy has 12,000 jobs, but unemployment holds firm. Okay, unemployment holds firm. Very good. Okay, so you'd want to be careful of that. The moment that cracks, starts showing cracks, and then it followed by bad earnings, it's just going to be a landslide. Quarter point. Well, what's a cut going to do for the economy, really? I genuinely want to know, what is a cut going to do for the economy altogether? A rate cut. I'm here selling my property. I had a property. I told you guys I sold this recently. I wanted to just get rid of it so I can accumulate cash. I'm also accumulating cash. I'm a mini Warren Buffett. I want to have at least $1 million to deploy into the markets when things go south. I'm ready. I'm ready, guys. I'm not here to day trade anything. Let me know if you're ready for this. This is going to be excellent opportunity. Probably the last correction the markets have. And then it takes maybe 2 years to get to the tops again. I don't know. Maybe less. Maybe less. And yeah, the crypto, guys. I talked bad about your crypto. I know you don't like it. I wasn't talking about your crypto. I was just talking in general. Your crypto is amazing. It's amazing, right? It's the best project out there with a backing of a beautiful community and beautiful people. And everything's great about it. So, yeah, we're not talking about you. We're just talking about those other ones. Anyways, it's going to be interesting what we see here, guys. Bitcoin. I mean, gold is kind of pulling back. But, yeah, I'm not going to talk about Bitcoin because it has a cult and you guys don't like it. I told you to buy it at 29,000 back last year. I'm telling you now, pull out. Take it or leave it. It's your call. But yeah, things are not looking good here. Here's our man enjoying his holidays and piling his dollars. I think biggest hedge fund in the world. Time to follow them. That's what I think. It's time to follow them. Now, I didn't need Warren Buffett to tell me what to do because we've been doing it. 2 months ago, we started. Before he even announced that he's cut his Apple position, we started already. We can see it. I mean, I see things I can't tell you guys because you don't see it. You don't understand it. But yeah, the reset is here, right? This is like just normality. Because don't think for a minute, guys, last year was normal for the stock market. It was not normal. Generally, like the market was pricing in interest rate cuts all year, pricing in interest rate cuts. And now that the cuts are here, I mean, what now? What now? The cuts are here. Things are slowing down. What now? That's my analysis for Saturday, guys. You got election, you've got the Federal Reserve, and you've got AI stocks reporting earnings this week. Good luck.